Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off Find My iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to turn off Find My on iPhone, so let's see how can you easily do that. First of all, you have to open up your settings and here simply tap on your Apple ID and here just scroll down and you will get the option of Find My. So you have to simply select that option and here you will get the Find My iPhone. So you have to tap on it and you will get the toggle here. You can easily turn it off or on from here, as I'm going to turn it off. So you have to simply tap on it and it will ask you to enter your Apple account password. So you have to enter your Apple account password, and once you have entered, you can easily turn off your Find My iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.